Vertical gardening is a modern approach to gardening that has gained popularity in recent years. In this video, we will explore some inspiring vertical gardening success stories and share creative ideas that can inspire you to create your own vertical garden. Our first success story comes from Sarah, a passionate vertical gardener. She transformed her small balcony into a lush green oasis using vertical gardening techniques. Sarah will share her journey, from selecting the right plants to maintaining her garden throughout the seasons. Next, we will meet John, an urban gardener who had limited space, but a big dream of having a thriving garden. He used innovative vertical gardening techniques to create a stunning garden on his rooftop. John will reveal his secrets to successfully growing a variety of plants in a small space. In this section, we will showcase a collection of inspiring and creative vertical gardening ideas. From vertical herb gardens to living walls, these ideas will ignite your imagination and show you the endless possibilities of vertical gardening. Vertical gardening has proven to be a game changer for gardening enthusiasts with limited space. By using vertical space effectively, you can create a stunning garden that is not only visually appealing, but also productive. Get inspired and start your own vertical gardening journey today.